It's only a fool, and I really say it deliberately, it's only a stupid person who thinks they should fight someone they hold different views with, both in life and in death. He was struggling for his life. And what did we see? Fellow Ugandans holding placards, Ouliny, go back home. That this dying man should go back home. That they've spent taxpayers' money to charter a plane to take Ouliny to America. But your ethnic leader, you who were demonstrating, your ethnic leader was transported in a presidential jet to Germany using public funds. He was not entitled. You did not demonstrate. Is it because Ouliny is an Acholi? Is it because Ouliny does not speak your language? Only a wicked person can fight a person who is fighting for his life. Only a super wicked person can fight the dead. Actually, for us, it is an abomination which has no name.